A useful tip for Adobe Illustrator users. Artboard size is 1920 by 1080. Go to the ellipse tool and hold the Shift button to draw a circle. Open the gradient panel. And use these colors for gradient. You can also use any of your choice. Hold the Alt button to create a copy of it. Select both, go to the Object menu, Compound Path, and Make. Then go to the Effect menu, Path, and Offset Path. Follow my settings, and hit OK. Go to the Effect menu again, Path and Offset Path. Add the same but negative amount of offset, and hit OK. Double-click on it. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. Thank you for watching.